fellow business owners, entrepreneurs, military veterans. My name is Spencer Taylor Jr. I'm a U.S. Marine veteran and entrepreneur. Just wanted to do a quick demo or walkthrough in the back office of Royaltie, one of the most unique, all-in-one, easy-to-do-it-yourself marketing systems um, that you can find today very easy. Right now, what I am into is my ads that I have running right now on over 1 million different websites and mobile apps and social networks. I'm just going to go through and show you a quick um, look at the back office to see what's going on. As you see here, you now have a way to check your analytics. You can check your landing pages to see how they're doing. If you have them synced to an ad where they can come in, where your visitors can go and take a look at and opt in. As you can see here, you have your analytics here. It'll tell you about your location, device that people are using, gender. Right now I have it set on male, but I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change it to female to see how that goes. I haven't gotten enough data for the age yet, but I have that set. And then you can see down here where it actually shows you your locations of where your ads are being clicked from. So you get a detailed analytics on everything so that you will know what areas are the hottest, which are the coldest, and it allows you to laser target your ads to a specific area so that you can maximize your ads. Here you have your landing pages. Here you can create unlimited landing pages for your campaigns. And so, let me move that back up. Sorry about that. So as you can see here, you have your landing pages here. Move that out there wide, and I can scroll down. So you'll be able to create unlimited landing pages. Here's where you can now, we have an email autoresponder email campaign where you can now sync your landing pages to your email campaign so that when people opt in, you can start sending your autoresponder messages. I'm just going to click in here real quick just to give you a quick look at how you can create your ads. You can see how you can just customize it, put images there, header up there, change the color of the font, the background. So a lot of things you can do in here, add a button, add an image. You can set it, right here, we can set it for immediately. You can have it delayed to go out in minutes. You can have it go out in hours, or you can have it go out in days. So that's one of the benefits of having this email campaign system, that you can do that. You have that luxury. You also have your dashboard. You have your contacts here. This is where your leads would go when they come in. You also have your chat feature. Anybody on your team or your clients or your customers, they can join one of your teams that you create, and you can communicate with them in real time. That way, your customers, they have a question, you can get them answered real quick. Like I said, I'm not trying to make this too long. Just wanted to give you a quick run through. Here you also have a content section. Let's say that you are preparing taxes. You're a tax preparer, or you're a real estate agent, and you wanted to make sure that your clients had access to different things that they may need, forms, files, videos. Well, here you have what is called like a Dropbox feature with unlimited data. When I mean unlimited data, I mean unlimited storage. I'm sorry, where you can add your files for your clients, whatever they may need. And so I'm not, like I said, I didn't want to make this too long. Just want to do a real quick walkthrough on what you can expect when you implement this system. And just keep in mind that nothing happens overnight. So a lot of people think they should see success right away, but in reality, in marketing, it's all about exposure, getting more eyes on your business so people can see who you are. And the more they see you, the more they understand that you're out there, the better chance you have at people taking a look, opting into your list, being your customers, so forth and so on. So with this, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. This is Spencer Taylor Jr., U.S. Marine veteran, entrepreneur. If you have any questions, you can call my personal number at area code 910-516-1319. Again, that's 910-516-1319. Thank you and have a great day.